Hey, how's it going, guys?
This is Toasty Bros here.
And today we're going to be doing our $830 computer build. I'm doing this for my buddy Zach, so I hope you guys enjoy.
For the case, we got an NZXT H440 mid-tower case.
Alright, and next we have the motherboard.
Our motherboard here is an ASRock 990 FX.
Killer series.
Very killer. Next, for the video card, we have
the Radeon R9 270X with 2GB of RAM on it. Runs on PCI 3.0 and is DirectX 11.2.
And next here we have the CPU.
Which we went with an FX 8350, which is 4.0 GHz standard, and it can be overclocked up to 5 GHz. Alright, and next we have the power supply.
This is an EVGA 500 watt, 80 plus bronze certified power supply.
So it's 80 plus bronze certified, so we don't have to worry about it, exploding or anything. And next we have 8 gigs of RipjawsX RAM, which runs at 1600 megahertz.
And for the hard drive, we have a Western Digital Blue 1TB hard drive, 7,200 RPM.
Alright, so are you ready to get to building or not?
I am.
Alright, let's do this. Bye.